We're gonna do this little Zodiac bar situation. Influencers in the wild. In the spirit of the Olympics, we're gonna do a couple Olympic dives for you.
High dive.
High dive.
High dive.
What the bitch? Good morning. I slept in today, whoa, because as you know, it was late when I went to bed and I was very tired. So I still need to wash off my spray tan, finish my last minute packing, and then we'll be off, but I'm actually getting today's vlog up right now. I thought it was really funny, actually, just like really cute. So if you haven't seen the vlog, I went shopping and I told my parents that I was moving in with my boyfriend. Really scary stuff, but it was a good vlog, so go check it out. And yeah, okay, gonna get back to it. I also woke up today with like zits just everywhere, so that's really, really fun. Hello from Santa Barbara. Oh, that's bright. Hello. Okay, guys, so basically, since I last spoke to you, I packed up all my belongings, went to Nick's house, we got Chick-fil-A, and we drove here. Got a little nauseous in the car, but all is well in the world.
PCH.
Here we are in our cutie little room with our cutie little bed and our cutie little Nick, and our view is the parking lot, so I don't need to show you. Pretty quaint, pretty chill, but the actual whole resort is like very nice. This toilet has been making noise for, oh shit. I think I fixed it. It's been making noise for a long time. These mirrors are my favorite, the ones that have these built-in lights. My dream would be to live in an apartment that has these naturally, but probably won't. All right, I need to fix this toilet. Something's happening, but then I'm gonna unpack. Oh, it stopped. I fixed it. I fixed it. I'm gonna unpack and then we will just figure out what the heck is happening. So much is going on.
What's up, vlog? We're coming to you from Santa Barbara, the beautiful hotel room, the beautiful baby in the back. Just getting some work done before the fun will be had. Let me just take you to the balcony. Take a little trip out here with us. We're technically beachside. If you look way through those windows somewhere, you'll see the water. But we'll take you out there.
Nick was like, we have a water view,
see,
look. And
I'm not
there's
gonna
like
zoom,
one
but
little square.
It's in there. Parker, figure that out, find it. Oh. But yeah, she's about to go do some bridesmaidsy stuff. I've got one more work meeting, and after that, I get to frolic around the resort for a little while.
Yeah, you'll be on your own for like 2 hours.
I'm thinking some pool time, I'm thinking some gym time, some
do
pump
the
time.
gym and save the pool for me.
I'm gonna do both.
Oh wait, we won't be able to go to the pool after.
Little jump rope. Look at that mop.
Gym tan laundry.
No laundry.
Wait, did you call my head a mop?
I
love that. In the spirit of the Olympics, we're gonna do a couple Olympic dives for you. You guys have to rate whose is better, okay? All right, Adrienne's up first.
Ooh.
I didn't know which way I'd land.
Okay.
Okay, that was pretty sweet. Can't wait for a slow-mo replay.
Now there's a good dive. There's a lot of quickness there, but it's very well controlled.
I'm gonna go for that.
Whoa, Nick, you have to go from the same entry point as everybody else.
High dive. High dive.
High dive.
High dive.
This looks dangerous.
I know it is. That's why I'm doing it.
Really?
Oh, we got, the good thing this turns.
Oh my god, you literally look like the Slender Man. Oh my god!
Full
That
belly.
was like a dive turned belly. Okay, round one.
The
I
splash
think I
potential on that
definitely win.
was huge. Splash potential on that was
That's
huge.
not what we're judging on.
I thought we were going for splash.
Okay, ready?
Ooh, the salute. The old soldier
I
dive.
have to do like this, like a cute toe.
Oh, that was your... Paint me like one of your French girls, Jack. Call this the, seated dive.
Oh my god.
Woo, we're ready for that one.
Okay, fair. That was good. I like that. That was pretty good.
1-1.
Oh,
It's the tiebreaker,
okay.
right? You
You're
want the
right,
first
you're
one,
right,
I want
you're
the
right,
second
you're right.
Ooh, and the rotation.
Rotation to Superman.
Okay.
Somersault to Superman. No, somersault to reverse Superman.
Right.
Nick, why?
Ow, 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 what did I just step on?
What? Oh, is it an earring?
I found your earrings.
Oh no! How'd they fall off?
It was in my foot.
Oh my god, Nick. Okay, then
I'm
you
injured, I
win
can't dive.
by default. Good job.
No,
Oh,
it's all
no.
part of the plan.
No.
It's all part of the plan. So I'm gonna take my dive.
Okay.
All right.
I'm so sorry. Is there foot blood on these? Whoa! We had the hold, the somersault hold to plop.
To flop.
I would say it was a tie.
Oh, I was thinking the same thing.
Okay, and now I should get ready for real. How you feeling?
It's a video. I thought it was a picture.
It's my freaking camera.
I'm currently on a bus with the Adrienne Finch of TikTok. It's very, very intimidating. I don't know what to say.
Shush. Here's my OOTD for the day. I'm wearing this tank top that I got at Target. These Topshop jeans that I've had for actually like 5 years. And this belt, I can't remember where it's from, but I really like it. And then I'm just wearing my blazers with pink. And these sunglasses are Privé Revaux, the Ashley Benson collab. My purse is from, I think, Princess Polly. I will link everything down below. Going to see Morgan.
My long lost roomie. TBT when we both used to vlog because we lived together.
I know, and now I never film because I'm so awkward. Like, I don't film in my own house, honestly. It's bad.
Oh my god,
The second I move,
No, that was a leaf.
Okay, whoa. Lizard alert. We're at Italy at the Century City Mall. Not that you care where it is, but I've never actually eaten here, but I walked through it for the first time the other day. It's so cool. It's like this big ass Italian market. I just said big ass. It's this big Italian market. But we're gonna do this little Zodiac bar situation where I guess you like select things based on your Zodiac. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. I'll let you know. Wow. Spirit preference.
Yeah, delete some stuff. Awesome.
Influencers in the wild. Behind the scenes. I'm kidding. We are actually gonna go with our real Zodiac to see what happens. But you have like all these different options and it's pretty cool. All right, we got our drinks. I am a Libra, which means I balance the love between all and beyond. Ooh, yeah, let's go. That's some meat and some tea. Yeah. I got a salad because one of the only things I can actually have on the menu, but the food all looked bomb. Morgan got Terra toast, which is like French toast with cheese, right? Or is that whipped cream?
No, it's like a whipped ricotta.
Okay. Oh my god. That looks amazing. I just got back from lunch with Morgan. It was so much fun. It was just nice seeing her. We both decided we wanted to have kind of a more chill day after, so instead of like drinking more or anything, we just came home. So I wanted to show you guys, first of all, in the mall that I was at, there's this place called Studs, and it's literally this little tiny shop where they'll like pierce your ears. So I didn't want to get any piercings today, but I did want to get some new earrings for these two because these are like stabbing me. Wearing studs is kind of hard for these holes because they just like stab me in the neck. So I ended up buying these cute little gold hoops, and look, it comes in the cutest little like neon card holder situation that I'm totally gonna use. And then when you open it, it comes with like all this stuff. That's cute. I don't know for what. It comes with some stickers and a cherry sticker and another sticker that says pierce me. Oh my gosh, it even comes with stick-on earrings. That's so cute. And then this little thing. So it's just like super cute branding. Wait, where are the actual, oh, I was like, where are the earrings that I got? So I just got these like gold hoops that are pretty small to just put right in there. So I'm gonna put those in right now and see what happens. So I'll show you guys in a second. Oh, but the other thing I got is, so tomorrow I'm going to the LA professional rugby team championship game. They made it to the championship, like in terms of national rugby, and the team is very new. So people don't really know that it exists. I've gone to the past 2 games. We're going tomorrow, but I forgot that they require you to have a clear bag and like no other purse. So I ordered this on Amazon for like $15 or $16. I'll link it down below. It's actually really cute. Like I might use it for other things. It has these cute little studs on the back. And then it basically just opens like this. Wait, like this. And you can just fit the necessities. It's obviously not big, but I thought it was really cute for needing a clear bag. I can actually wear a cute outfit, which is cool. I'm gonna try on these earrings and see how it looks. Give me a moment. Okay, I just put them in my ears. This is what they look like. The girl convinced me to get this size, but I actually wanted smaller ones, and now I'm regretting not just getting the smaller ones, but they're still really cute, so I'm kind of annoyed though. She was like, I think this is better for the placement. I was like, or not, because I kind of want them to look more like straight like that, like huggies versus like going down, but you know what, whatever. I'm gonna live with these for a little bit and just see how I feel, but I think they're really cute, and overall very happy with the purchase. I have walked past that store like 1,000 times and keep wanting to like actually go in it and maybe get something pierced, but I just haven't, so. All right, homies. Well, there's been a little saga that's gone down. Nothing crazy, just I called Nick He's helping his dad build a shed, and they were like, we're gonna be done in like a couple hours. This was a while ago. And I really wanna see this new movie called Old. It's like an M. Night Shyamalan movie. And so they were like, cool, let's just all see it together over where Nick's parents live, which is like 40 minutes away. I was like, lit, sounds good. We were both starving, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna go pick up food and then go there. He wasn't answering. Finally, he's like, so we're not anywhere near done. And I was like, okay. Basically, I'll spare you the deets, it doesn't even matter, but long story short, I am now in the Taco Bell parking lot, eating Taco Bell, drinking this really bright drink because I was very much in limbo about like what was happening. But it's fine. I think what's gonna happen is Nick's gonna stay there. I'm gonna stay here. I'm very close to my house. I'm just gonna stay here, and then when Nick's done, he'll come over to me, and then if we have time, we'll go see the movie. If not, we won't, it's fine. But yeah, it's kind of funny, like, it's been a while since I just haven't had plans on a Saturday night. I'm not mad about it. Not mad. Also, my Taco Bell order, since I'm gluten-free, dairy-free, which, by the way, if you're new and you didn't know that, I am allergic to gluten and dairy. So, my Taco Bell order is Doritos Locos Tacos. Usually I get like 3. No cheese, no sour cream. So basically just like beef, lettuce, tomato, and like Dorito. It's pretty good. Today I also got some cinnamon twists because why not? They're basically air. Ooh, also, Nick's mom found a really cute apartment that's like totally within our budget. 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, totally remodeled, high ceilings. I was like, what's wrong with this? Why is it so cheap? I immediately reached out because it's available starting tomorrow and I feel like it's gonna get snatched up. So I was like, yo, our move-in date isn't until October 1st, but let me know if that's like strict or not, because I would love to still see it. And like, maybe if we are just like the first ones to do it and make their lives easy, maybe they'd let us move in October 1st. Who knows? I do think I want to like tour more apartments because I really don't know what's out there. But I mean, if we go to this one and we fall in love for the price that it is, I think we should just apply. We can still tour a couple more, but I don't know. The only downside is that it's in the neighborhood that I used to live in for like 3 or 4 years. I lived there and it's a great neighborhood. Like, I loved it. I just always kind of like hope for a little bit of a change. It's kind of nice to like see different parts of LA and just kind of refresh, like, I don't know. Versus just having like the same neighborhood and grocery store and everything that I went to for like 4 years. But that's me being really nitpicky. Again, if it's like perfect, then I am not complaining. So, yep, I might go tour that tomorrow because the lady just messaged me back. So obviously I'll take you guys along every time I tour an apartment. Uh-oh, guys. I'm in the Best Buy parking lot. You know what that means. Also, hello zoomed in and hello brightness. I'm just gonna go in and check it out. I swear if I like leave with a camera. Actually, it's fine. Here's the thing, I need it. I actually do. This camera has been pissing me off. It makes me not even want to pull out my camera to vlog. It was a cheap camera. I throw it around. I dropped it in a bathroom today. The other one just has a better lens, so I could actually take some cinematic stuff with it as well. The debate that I'm having is basically between whether I want to get another lens for my DSLR, like a wide lens for vlogging, or whether I want to get this. The problem is just the DSLR is so big to like carry around everywhere to vlog, so yeah. All right, you guys, thank you so much for shutting up. Just kidding. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. It was a little longer than normal, I think. We are just, hi. We're chilling at Sunday night, and I'm actually going to tour the first apartment of many tomorrow. Nick can't come, but I shall do it on my own. All right, I'll see you guys later.